Can we imagine the battlefield of the future? Will soldiers be using the same rifles and tanks, or will they be replaced by something far more advanced and deadly? Let's take a journey into the future of warfare and the role of technology. In the annals of history, the art of war has always been intertwined with the progress of technology. From the early days of stones and spears, to the advent of gunpowder in the Middle Ages, to the invention of machine guns in the late 19th century, each advancement has dramatically shifted the dynamics of warfare. The 20th century saw an unprecedented acceleration in this evolution. The introduction of tanks in World War I, the advent of aircraft carriers in World War II, and the deployment of nuclear weapons ushered in a new era of warfare, one that was more destructive and far-reaching than ever before. In more recent times, the emergence of precision-guided munitions, stealth technology, and unmanned aerial vehicles has continued to redefine the face of battle. These advancements have not only increased the lethality of war, but also have minimized the risk to soldiers, a trend that is likely to continue into the future. Looking ahead, the future of warfare appears to be dominated by artificial intelligence, robotics, and space technology. Imagine autonomous drones swarming the skies, unmanned tanks rolling across the battlefield, and soldiers equipped with exoskeleton suits enhancing their physical abilities. In the realm of weaponry, guns might be replaced by directed energy weapons like lasers and railguns, capable of inflicting damage from vast distances. Space, the final frontier, may also become the next battleground. With several nations already having deployed military satellites, the prospect of space warfare is no longer a figment of science fiction. The ability to disrupt or destroy an adversary's satellites could potentially cripple their military capabilities, making space a critical domain in future warfare. In conclusion, the evolution of military technology has transformed and will continue to transform the nature of warfare. From stones and spears to lasers and space warfare, each advancement in technology has brought about a paradigm shift in the art of war. In the future, warfare will likely be characterized by the increased use of autonomous systems, directed energy weapons, and space technology. While these advancements may make warfare more lethal and far-reaching, they also hold the promise of reducing the risk to soldiers. However, they also raise new ethical and legal dilemmas that society will need to grapple with. The future of warfare is uncertain, but one thing is clear: the role of technology in shaping that future is undeniable. As we continue to push the boundaries of technological advancement, we must also strive to ensure that these tools are used responsibly and ethically. Because at the end of the day, the goal of warfare should not be destruction, but peace.